Congratulations! Your loan is conditionally approved. A SunWest loan originator is always on top of her approvals, no matter where she is. Break free with Morgan.
Welcome to The Interest. I'm Katie Jensen. We continue to see ripple effects in the economy after the abrupt closures of Silicon Valley and Signature banks. Now, Union Bank of Switzerland is buying struggling Credit Suisse. While consumers might be worried about another financial collapse, industry experts remain confident that we'll be just fine. Just this morning, Goldman Sachs researcher Richard Ramsden says this is not a repeat of 2008 crisis, in large part because mortgage-backed securities and other bank-held assets are a lot stronger than they were 15 years ago. But that didn't stop Goldman Sachs economists from lowering their expectations for the economy. And now they say we'll face a 35% chance of a recession this year, up from 25%. That's likely to cause more would-be homebuyers to take a wait-and-see approach, especially as they get priced out. In that same briefing this morning, Goldman Sachs says home affordability is at its worst level on record. A plus side for buyers, the depressed demand will cause prices to keep coming down. And as the industry continues to struggle, job cuts keep coming. Candor Technologies, which makes AI tools for mortgage companies, confirmed it's making layoffs but would not say how many. In a statement, the company says it needs to change strategy because of what it calls various headwinds working against the mortgage industry. Coming up, we'll tell you about one way to find borrowers who are ready to buy.
Tired of turndowns and wasting 25 basis points or more on slow and manual loan processing? Divorce your processor and break free with Morgan Chat AI. There are no bad deals or tough loans, only deserving families that need AI-driven fast and accurate service. We treat every client fairly and with empathy. AI that understands how you feel.
I am Morgan. I get you.
Welcome back. Guild Mortgage is planning to grow its reverse mortgage operation after buying one of the top players in the space. Last week, Guild acquired Cherry Creek Mortgage, a top 10 reverse mortgage lender, according to Reverse Mortgage Insight. Guild says it will start offering more reverse mortgage options at some of its retail branches. And it will offer turnkey wholesale and correspondent options for other lenders who want to get into the reverse market. And finally, do you know someone who has left a mark on the mortgage industry that will last for years to come? Then they might be just what we're looking for in our Legends of Lending. We're seeking nominations for pros who have improved the industry or made the journey to homeownership easier. Nominees will be at least 40 years old and must have at least 15 years experience in the industry. Honorees will be recognized in an upcoming issue of Mortgage Banker magazine. The deadline is April 7th. Just go to nmplink.com/legendsoflending to submit a nomination. We'll be right back with what else is interesting today. Welcome back. Here's what else is interesting today. Home sales in February rose for the first time in 6 months. Nationwide real estate company RE/MAX says the 17% bump in sales was the largest increase in almost a year. But sales overall are still down nearly 25% from a year ago. With the increase in sales, the median sale price also crept up by 0.6%. Before that, prices fell for 7 straight months. For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to mortgagenewsnetwork.com.